Jai Hind students, I am Anjali Mishra. I am your Sanskrit teacher. In this video, I am going to teach about the names of birds and animals in Sanskrit and their meanings in Hindi and English. Names of animals. Aswa means ghoda in Hindi and horse in English. Gajah means hathi in Hindi and elephant in English. Vanara means bandar in Hindi and monkey in English. Singha means sher in Hindi and lion in English. Mriga means hiran in Hindi and deer in English. Muska means chूहा in Hindi and rat in English. Usda means ऊँट in Hindi and camel in English. Saska means खरगोश in Hindi and rabbit in English. Kachapa means कछुआ in Hindi and tortoise in English. Dhenu means गाय in Hindi and cow in English. And names of birds. Mayura means more in Hindi and peacock in English. Pika means koyal in Hindi and cuckoo in English. Suka means tota in Hindi and parrot in English. Sarika means maina in Hindi and English. Uluka means ullu in Hindi and owl in English. Kapota means kabutar in Hindi and pigeon in English. Hansa means hans in Hindi and swan in English. Chatka means gauraiya in Hindi and sparrow in English. Sarasa means saras in Hindi and crane in English. Kaka means kawa in Hindi and crow in English. This video is over now.